Hello, students. Welcome back. Do you use the word very too much? For example, I am very happy, or it is very big. Today, we will learn 10 new words. These words make your English sound better. They are strong adjectives. Speak slowly and repeat after me. Number 1, size. Don't say very big, say huge. Listen, huge. H-U-G-E, huge. Example, the elephant is huge. Now, number 2, don't say very small, say tiny. Listen, tiny. T-I-N-Y, tiny. Example, the ant is tiny. Huge and tiny. Number 3, how do you feel? Don't say very tired, say exhausted. Exhausted, exhausted. Example, I worked all day. I am exhausted. Number 4, don't say very hungry, say starving. Starving, starving. Example, I missed lunch. I am starving. Number 5, temperature. Don't say very cold, say freezing. Freezing, freezing. Example, it is winter. It is freezing outside. Number 6, don't say very hot, say boiling. Boiling, boiling. Example, the sun is strong. It is boiling. Number 7, is it good? Don't say very good, say fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic. Example, this pizza is fantastic. Number 8, is it bad? Don't say very bad, say awful. Awful, awful. Example, the movie was boring. It was awful. Number 9, emotions. Don't say very angry, say furious. Furious, furious. Example, he broke my phone. I am furious. Number 10, don't say very happy, say thrilled. Thrilled. Example, I got the job. I am thrilled. Great job today. Try to use one of these words tomorrow. Don't be very good, be fantastic. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. Goodbye.